Good evening, my little kids. It's a pleasure for me to see you again in this week through this video. Today is Monday, September 6th. Remember, you are going to write on your notebook that day of today. Recuerden que tienen que escribir en su cuaderno la fecha de hoy. Today is Monday, September 6th. The topic for this week is numbers from 11 to 20. The quote of the day, la frase de la semana es Don't stop until you are proud. No te detengas hasta que estés orgulloso de ti mismo. The objective for this week, students will be able to identify numbers from 11 to 20 and write them correctly. Los estudiantes identificarán números desde el 11 hasta el 20 y aprenderán a escribir correctamente la palabra acerca de este número. So, start with the next flashcards. The first number, el primer número that we are going to learn this week, el primer número que vamos a aprender esta semana es 11. Look at this word. This is the correct form to write 11. Esa es la forma correcta de escribir 11. ¿Y qué significa 11? 11. De acuerdo a ese número, remember 11, 11. The next one is 12. 12. Remember, repeat after me the correct pronunciation of this week, of this word. 12. What does it mean? 12. Yes, 12, 12. The next one is 13. 13. 13. So, 13 means 13. Remember? 13. 13. The next one is 14. It's a combination to 4 and 10. 14. And 14 means 14. Muy bien, 14. The next one is 15. And 15 means 15. 15, 15. The next one is 16. Repeat after me, 16. And the correct, el significado correcto es 16. ¿Sí? 16, 16. The next one is 17. 17 means 17. What does it mean 17? 17. The next one is 18. What does it mean 18? 18. Muy bien. Great job. El siguiente número is 19. 19 means 19. 19, 19. And the last one is 20. 20 means 20. Yes? Remember? Again, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. The numbers from 11 to 12, 20 to 20. Let's start. Now we are going to develop some exercise about numbers. How I can write the number 11. In the flashcard, we see the correct form to write 11. So now we are going to write it. So 11, remember 11. Yes? The next one, is 12. 12. The next one is 13. Remember? After that, you are going to complete some exercise in the live worksheet and a worksheet. Van a completar un live worksheet to practice, para practicar en línea, y luego van a completar lo que es una worksheet que la pueden imprimir o pegar en su cuaderno. Y todo eso lo enviarán en collage el día viernes. Sigamos. 14. The next one is 15. The next one is, remember, help me, yes, 16. The next one is, yes, 17. You can watch again the video since the beginning, desde el inicio. Pueden ver el video desde el inicio para poder completar en su worksheet esta actividad. This number is 8. 8, 18. Yes, 18, double E. Double E. And this number is 9, 19. And the last one, yes, is, help me, 20. Yes, it's 20. 20. 20. Yes. So, remember, you are going to develop the live worksheet and the worksheet sent today in the message group, in the WhatsApp group. Remember that the Fridays, the deadline is Friday to send me the collage de las tareas de esta semana. Tienen hasta el día viernes para enviar las tareas de esta semana. If you have some doubts, si tienen alguna duda, just write me through WhatsApp. Si tienen alguna duda, pueden escribirme mediante WhatsApp. Y don't forget, send me the collage, the Friday. Yes? See you in the next class, and I hope you can enjoy and learn a lot about the numbers. See you.